And little update on our project. We are switching from these small mosaic tiles to the large format. We are now in the shower, so we have a dry fit skirt and already playing with the linear drain tileable grade detail and starting to pre-cut the tiles for the curb, and then we are attacking the bathroom walls. We had a lot of fun with these. Almost feels like handmade tiles by the size differences between individual pieces, and there's a quite a nice color difference. And here's an Area Vent Pro, nice little detail on the vent we all like. So the floor is all tiled, the floor in the shower is tiled. We just need to cut a few pieces for the curb, put the edging on, and we are starting the wall tile. We just had the shower head put in because we are playing with some outline for the shower glass and the niche location. So stay tuned for more. We'll be spending more time in the shower now. Thank you for watching.